Welcome back, guys, to my channel. And quickly, we're going to continue from where we stopped from our last video in our whiteboard animation course using the Benime app. Now let's just click on the app. Alright, it's taking us to this place again. Now that was the first video we did. So let's just do a new video. Yeah, let's just do a new video. I don't want us to continue with that video. Let's just do a new one. Like this, as you know, I'm gonna click on that icon there. So let's click on it. Let's call it tutorial 2, since this is the second part of this course. Tutorial 2. Alright, now in this video we're going to explore those various icons very well. Like this first icon, let's add an image to this video. I don't have many images, so I saved some of my images here on recent. So let me just use this one first. Let me see, for example, I'm going to do a portfolio on how to explain myself. So this is me, this is my picture, in case those of you that are wondering how I look. That's how I look over there. So that's my picture. Now if you want to resize this picture, all you have to do is to click on this button here. This button that's looking like a gauge. Just hold it and move it left and right. Then you resize this picture to a size of your choice. Let me show you. You see, I'm resizing it. Let me see. I think this is not bad. Alright, this is not bad. Let me leave it on this size. So you can add a lot. You can add whatever you want to add and resize using that button. And let me show you something else. If you want to copy, sorry, let me click on the picture. If you want to copy it, okay, I'm going to explain. Okay, let me just explain it here. If you want to copy this picture, maybe you want to use the same picture on the other slide, you just click on this icon that's looking like this copy icon here. This one you're going to click on. And click on it, you want to copy this picture so you can use it for another slide. Alright, so that's for that. Now the test. Let me just say something about myself. My name is, okay, let me say hello. My name. Now this is my name. This is my full name. For those of you that are still wondering what's my name, that's my full name over there. Alright, I'm a freelance graphic designer. And content creator. Now this is just an example. Content creator. So maybe you can use whiteboard animation for a lot of reasons. This is just an example of a portfolio presentation. Maybe I'm doing a portfolio to maybe when I want to introduce myself on a client, or maybe a client is asking for a whiteboard presentation on using a portfolio format that he wants to introduce himself on a platform using a whiteboard animation. This is how you go about it. This is how you go about it. So when you type a text, it's going to show you something like this. Now you can edit this text. Let me say, for example, you want to change the font. All you have to do is to click on this icon. You want to change the color, you click on this icon. You want to change the size, you click on this icon. You want to change the layer of the text, you click on this icon. So let's just give it a try. For example, let me change the color. Okay, the font first. The font, let me try Admina. Let me just try Admina. This is Admina. Now you see it's looking different from how it was before. So let me change the color to blue. So you see the color has changed. It's looking dull. So let me use another color. Let me just go back to black. So let's leave it there. Now let me resize it. I'm clicking this arrow that's facing down, and I'm resizing the size of my text. I'm reducing the size of my text. Now you see it's looking straight. Now when you want to change this borderline, that's this borderline that is this red something you're seeing here. When you want to change it, all you have to do is to come to this place, this gauge again, like we did when we want to resize the picture. All you have to do is to come here. Then you're able to reduce, you're able to adjust that borderline. Like this is what I'm doing now. I'm adjusting it. Alright, so that's it. Now one more thing I'm going to show you on the test. One more thing I'm going to show you on this test when you want to edit this test is the test layouts. Now these are the test layouts over here. These three things you're seeing here, these three guys here. Now when you click on any of them, it's going to change the test layouts. Like this one, I think I love this. Now this is taking everything to the ending, depending on the content you are creating, depending on what you want, depending on your client's taste. You can decide to use whatever layout you want to use, but I'm going to use this one. I think I like this one, so I'm not going to use it for this video. So you see, so it's looking good. The background, we all know how the background works, so it's just simple. So, but let me keep my white background the way it is. The hand, so let's use another hand. This is the default hand, so let's use another hand. You can even decide not to use hand. This first place here, it means don't use hand. That means the write-up will just come up on their own. That's depending on you also. So let's just pick this hand. Then music, and pick a music from my phone. I'll do. Make a blue face. Alright, let me just pick this one. Okay. Alright, so you can see, you see, it's actually looking presentable. Now you can be creative. Whiteboard animation is a very amazing app. Trust me, it's a very amazing app. This is just the basic I'm teaching you. You will be shocked when you see some design you can be able to do with this app. As in, you will be shocked, honestly. So let's just say, for example, I want to add another hat to explain myself. Since the portfolio, what I do is the same thing. Go to sticker. Now let me select an image from my gallery. I'm just select an image from my gallery. Let me go to my gallery. Just see God. I just hope I keep my pictures in one place because I don't have pictures. I hardly snap pictures. Let me go to the scene. I think they should be here. See, I don't have pictures. So let me just pick this one. For example, since I'm doing a portfolio presentation, let me tell them that I'm educated using this picture. So you see. Let me resize it. Just going to be fast because this video is looking very long now. Alright, this is it. Then let me just write something. Let me write I'm a graduate of Virginia. Let me just leave it like this because it's just a tutorial video. Let me just do it like this. Let me resize it since there's space. Alright, this is just a tutorial video. That's why I'm trying to be fast. So please pardon me. Alright, it's the same thing. You see this. So let's just play it. All right, so don't mind the song I use. That's naturally a nice song. I'm just giving you a tutorial on how to use this various icon. But I'm going to stop it for now. I'm going to do it's 10 minutes. I'm going to stop it from now. I'm going to do another video to further explain a few more things. A few more things you need to know when you want to use this whiteboard animation app. If this video was helpful, if you learned something from this video, please subscribe to my channel. I really need your subscription. It helps in the growth of our YouTube channels. Subscribe to my channels by hitting the subscribe button over there, and please like. And if there's anything you want to say about this video, if there's any question you want to ask, hit my comment section and say something. Till the next video, have a blessed day ahead. Bye.